room number 160. Jacuzzi, beach view on the area Sango. Best location for me, with the big bed. Is very beautiful. There is the TV screen. This biggest one is very comfortable. I have the mirror plus air condition plus fan on the ceiling there. There's very good green sofa like living room, and there we have the welcome drink when we arrive. That's free from the welcome. The best one on the viewer, Sangu Jacuzzi Beach viewer, is this one. This one is best for me because it's the private, only for the me and my wife on this viewer. There's a very big sofa here, plus jacuzzi. Jacuzzi is very wash area, like garden yard. Bathroom is here as well. It's very clear. One guy every day is coming here and clear. Toilet is there with tap, big mirror as well. Everything is very clear. It's very clear. We have the door from there as well. It's like there. We will pass from this side or from the other side as well. Sangu Jacuzzi Beach view. And the best one, when it's woke up in the morning, we'll have that big balcony with table for the coffee or beer, with chair as well, swash decking, and you'll have the private beach right there.